Auto-iQ technology features timed, intelligent blending programs that do the work for you, no guesswork required. XL 72-ounce total crushing blender pulverizes ice to snow in seconds for creamy frozen drinks and smoothies. Nutri Ninja Pro extractor blades break down whole fruits, vegetables, ice and seeds for maximum nutrient vitamin extraction. Small, regular, and jumbo multi-serve Nutri Ninja Cups with sip-seal lids for nutrient-rich super juices on the go. 1,200 watts, 2 horsepower of professional performance power. The Nutri Ninja Blender Duo with Auto-iQ has 1,200 watts of professional power and performance. The XL 72 ounces, 64 ounces max liquid capacity pitcher features total crushing technology to crush through ice and frozen ingredients in seconds to create creamy frozen drinks. The Nutri Ninja Blade Assembly pulverizes whole fruits and vegetables for nutrient vitamin extraction. Extract a drink containing vitamins and nutrients from whole fruits and vegetables. Blend personalized smoothies and juices directly in the Nutri Ninja Cup, attach the lid, and enjoy on the go. Top reviews from the United States. My favorite blender. I had one of these for over 10 years before I burnt it out with regular rigorous daily use. Bought another one of the same model immediately. Seriously, immediately. The auto blend settings work really well. I like that I can put nuts, seeds, raspberries, kale, and oats in my smoothies without them being gritty or leaving whole seeds in there. I mostly use the blender cups because they are the perfect serving sizes and super easy to clean, rinse off, and put back. The blender part, it's also easy to clean, but it's, bigger. Lol. Blades stayed sharp through over a decade of use. I hardly notice a difference in performance between my old one and the brand new one, which says a lot. And the old one didn't even fully burn out, as it worked again after the safety switch reset. I gave it to my sister and she is in love with it. It is loud, but that's never been a make or break quality for me. TLDR. Good, long-lasting blender that pulverizes even the most fibrous food matter. Big fan.